Okay, we just left Tanunda after our rest day. Showery rain most of the day yesterday, so today's looking much better. It's very cool, very cold, but lack of wind and lack of rain. So we're hoping for a better day, even though we've got some heavy climbing to go ahead of us. This is some hill, even in turbo, low gear, almost going straight up. I missed the mud. I missed the mud.
Oh my good blimey, gracious me. Oh, you did it?
We're all through safely. Okay, we just left the Burwood Motel. We're heading now towards Lobethal, from Lobethal across down into the gorge and then down the linear park into Adelaide. So we hope to get there sort of early afternoon, catch the train back to Seaford. Through this section we can see obvious signs of the bushfire that went through here a couple of years ago. Some of the trees have started to regrow, there's a regrowth, but a lot look pretty dead. This is as hard as anything else. We're now making our way through the Cuddly Creek forest, heading across the top down into Adelaide. We'll hit the Gorge Road Oh, sometime soon, I hope, but a lot of this area was still in the burnt out area during the fires. Hey fellas, little ram. They got out somewhere, they haven't been tailed or anything.
If you stand here, I'll take a selfie with you